Good afternoon, guys. This is our second video lecture. We are going to continue logic here only. I know that some of people are having doubts on in exercise 1.1, and we are going to solve them in live session. This is a recorded session. We are going to continue with logic, and that next topic is logical connective. I am going to make 2 or 3 videos today related to logical connectives. In first video I will explain about what is connectives, compound statements. In first video only I will explain you conjunction, disjunction, and not function. In second video I will solve the exercises related to conjunction, disjunction, and not function. In third video I will explain you implication, double implication, and fourth video I will solve their exercise. So this is my planning, and let's see how much we can cover up. So first thing, you know about logic. What is logic? If there is a sentence, if that sentence is not having exclamatory mark, no question mark, not order, not suggestion, not request, if it is not an open sentence. What is open sentence? A sentence which depends on something, or a sentence which has true or false, both the values, depending on the condition, right? So this type of sentences can never be statement. What is statement? A statement is a sentence which has either true or false value, not both at the time. And we have studied the truth value. True or false, both are the truth values, but you can get one truth value at a time. And if you have solved activity also, some people have submitted the homework. That is a very good thing. So now we continue with logical connective. What is logical connectives? So first thing, logical connectives. First understand the meaning of connectives. Logical connectives. Logical connectives. First understand the meaning of connectives. Connective means connection. Connective means connection. Logical means statements. So what does it mean? Connection between statements is called as logical connectives. Logical connective means connection between statements is called as a logical connectives. A definition given in your textbook is a logical connective is also called a logical operator. Logical operator, see, there is connective is also called as a operator. It is a symbol. So second one is sentential connective. Sentential because statements are there, right? And or sentential operator. Obviously, if it is logical connectives or logical operator, then it is sentential connectives or sentential operators. Sentential because we are using statements, right? So next one, it is a symbol. Remember, it is a symbol or word used to connect two or more sentences. It is a symbol or word used to connect two or more sentences. I am going to give an example. What is the example? Have a look. Akshay worked hard. Akshay worked hard. It's a one sentence. Akshay ranked one in the exam. It's a second sentence, right? If I want to connect these two sentences, I will write Akshay worked hard and he ranked one, that is first in the exam, right? So what I have used and, right? Next sentence, this is first one. Second, Akshay worked hard or Akshay ranked one in the exam. What I have used or, right? Third one, if Akshay worked hard, then he ranked then he will rank 1. He will rank 1 in the exam. अगर अक्षय पढ़ाई करेगा, हार्ड वर्क करेगा, तो उसका एग्जाम में रैंक 1 आएगा. क्या हमने यूज किया? इफ देन, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन, फोर्थ, अक्षय रैंक 1 in the exam. If Akshay ranked 1 in the exam, sorry, it's done already, sorry. Fourth one, if and only if, right? So what will we write? Akshay ranked 1 in the exam. I'm writing short form of if and only if, that is IFF. Either you can write if and only if, or you can use IFF. Akshay ranked 1 in the exam if and only if he work hard. अक्षय का रैंक 1 आएगा, लेकिन कब? जब वो हार्ड वर्क करेगा. So only 2 sentences I am having only 2 sentences. Akshay work hard, I am giving the name as P. Akshay ranked 1 in the exam, I am giving name as Q. We have studied in the very first video that statements are always represented by small letters, small p, small q. This is a statement, yes. This is a statement, yes. Right? So from these 2 statements I am writing 4 different statements. What are the statements? Akshay worked hard and he ranked 1 in the exam. Akshay worked hard or Akshay ranked 1 in the exam. If Akshay worked hard, then he will rank 1 in the exam. Akshay ranked 1 in the exam if and only if he worked hard. Right? These are the 4 sentences. So what do you observe here? Sir, we observe here that and, or, if, then, if IFF, or we say it as if and only if are the connectives. These are the connectives. These are the connectives. These are connectives, but these are word connectives. These are word connectives. Remember this thing. There are word connectives also and symbol connectives also, but these are word connectives. So what is the symbol of this word connectives? So for and we use ulta V. For or we use V. For if and then we use single arrow or single arrow with double lines. And for if and only if we use double arrows, okay, or double arrows with double lines. So these are the symbolic connectives. These are the symbolic connectives. Remember, these are the symbolic connectives, right? Symbolic connectives. So there is one more connective. We call them as not, and it is shown by the horizontal S. It is shown by the horizontal S. So you now remember the 5 connectives: and, or, if, then, if and only if, and not, right? So I am going to tell you one more thing that is called as a compound statement. What is compound statement? Compound statement is a statement which connects 2 or more statements. It connects 2 or more statements. So this is one statement, this is another. So we have formed a statement, whole one statement with the connective and. So this statement is called as a compound statement, and these single statements are called as a component or sub statements. These single statements, देखो ये 2 स्टेटमेंट से मैंने ये स्टेटमेंट बनाया, तो ये स्टेटमेंट इन दोनों के कारण हुआ, तो इस एक स्टेटमेंट को हम क्या कहेंगे? सब स्टेटमेंट और कंपोनेंट स्टेटमेंट और सिंपल स्टेटमेंट, राइट? तो ये हो गया आपका कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट के बारे में. याद रखो कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट को, 2 और 2 से ज्यादा स्टेटमेंट्स को अगर हम कनेक्ट करेंगे तो उसको कहेंगे कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट, राइट? नाउ व्हाई दिस connectives are important. Now you know Akshay work hard. It is the possibility that Akshay can work hard, so it may be true. and Akshay work, if Akshay doesn't work hard, then it will be false. So it depends on the situation, right? Akshay ranked 1 in the exam. If Akshay rank 1, then it is true. If Akshay doesn't rank 1, then it means false. Using these truth values, we solve different logics behind the connectives. I will tell you, the very first connective we are going to see today is, it is and. But we don't say and, we say conjunction. What we say? Conjunction, and we show it by this type of thing, right? So conjunction, whenever you find the word and, you will find the logical connective as conjunction. Again, I will tell you some more statements we use: but, yet, though, still, moreover. These are another words used for the and. Remember this thing, right? So when two statements, I will take statement P and Q are connected by this symbol, then this is called as the statement P and statement Q. Let me take one more example. If P is 5 greater than 3 and Q is Nagpur is in Vidarbha. It is a statement from your solved example only. So if I want to connect them by conjunction, I will simply write P and Q. And what is P and Q? 5 is greater than 3 and Nagpur is in Vidarbha. See, there is no logic between 5 is greater than 3 and Nagpur is in Vidarbha. This is just an example kind of thing. So when two statements are connected by and, you say it as a conjunction. Now you may know that 5 is greater than 3, it's a true statement, and Nagpur is in Vidarbha, it's also true statement. So when you combine these two statements, you will get a compound statement. This statement is called as a compound statement. Right? So you have to know the truth value of this compound statement also. So to know the truth value of the compound statements, we should know truth table. What is truth table? It is a table which is used to define the truth values of connective statements. So I am writing the truth table for conjunction PQ, P and Q. How to write? Remember one thing always. P will start with true, true, false, false. Q will start with true, false, true, false. So remember this pattern: TTFF, TF, TF, right? One common thing, always remember, whenever there is a and true will become true only. This is very important. Whenever there is and true will become true only. What about others? Others will become false. Don't think anything. If any one of the statement is false, and becomes false. If any one of the statement is false, and becomes false. If two statements are false, then also it is false. It is true only when two statements are true. अगर दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है तो ही कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट, मतलब एंड का जो स्टेटमेंट रहेगा वो ट्रू आएगा. बाकी तीनों सिचुएशन में अगर एक भी फॉल्स है या दोनों स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है तो हमेशा क्या आएगा? फॉल्स ही आएगा. याद रखो. और एक चीज, यहाँ पे दो स्टेटमेंट्स है, 2 का पावर 2. देखो 2 हमेशा सेम रहेगा. ये 2 क्यों सेम रहेगा? क्योंकि ये दो वैल्यूज से आता है, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स से. लेकिन ये 2 कहाँ से आता है? तो ये नंबर ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स है. देखो यहाँ पे 2 स्टेटमेंट्स थे, तो 2 का 2 तो कितना आएगा? 4. तो देखो 1 2 3 4. मैं और एक चीज आपको बता देता हूँ. मान लो 3 स्टेटमेंट्स, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 का 3 8. 2 क्यों? क्योंकि ट्रू और फॉल्स है. 3 क्यों? क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट्स 3 होनी चाहिए. 3 मतलब PQR. सो देखो कैसे लिखना PQR को, मैं बता के रख रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. 2 क्यूब इज 8, मतलब आपके कितने आने चाहिए लॉजिक? 8 लॉजिक आने चाहिए. देखो ये 3 है तो 2 का क्यूब हुआ. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? T F F F F. देखो पैटर्न, 4T 4F, राइट. बाद में TT F F TT F F, राइट. नेक्स्ट लास्ट वन, TF 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 TF, right? So TTTTT FFFF TTFF TTFF, then TF 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 TF. So this is the pattern for 3 statements. Now I hope you have understood the conjunction, right? So conjunction, you can use these different words. Then there is a truth table of P and Q. P is TTFF, Q TF, then P and Q becomes TFFF. Only true and true is there, then it becomes true. In other situation it becomes false, right? ठीक है. Now we will solve examples in the exercise part, and now I will tell you disjunction. Now disjunction is again a similar part. What is disjunction? डिसजंक्शन मीन्स और को कैसे दिखाते हैं? वी से. तो डिसजंक्शन को किस नाम से बुलाया जाता है? और से. किस नाम से बुलाया जाएगा? और से, राइट? तो इसको और कोई नाम से बुलाया जाता है क्या? राइट? सो इसको एंड की तरह कोई और नाम से नहीं बोला जाता, इसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ एफ ही नाम है, दैट इज और. तो फिर अगर हमें स्टेटमेंट लिखना है पी और क्यू, राइट? आपको अच्छे से टेबल बनाना है, याद रखो, मेरी तरह रैंडमली मत बनाओ. तो ये आएगा TTFF, क्योंकि 2 ही स्टेटमेंट है. TF. ओके. रिमेंबर वन थिंग इन डिसजंक्शन. Remember one thing, very important. When 2 statements are false, then the answer is false. In other remaining cases, it is true. Don't get confused. When 2 statements are false in disjunction, you get false. In other situation, if single statement is true, then whole answer becomes true. Remember this thing. It is exactly opposite of conjunction. In conjunction, when it is both the statements are true, you get true. In other situation, you get false. Here, when both the statements are false, you get false. In other scenario, it becomes true. I will take an example. Right? So, what can be the example? Ram is going to USA. ठीक. Statement P. Q. Rama is working in TCS. TCS is a company. So what is P or Q? That is P or Q becomes Ram is going to USA or Rama is working in TCS. So this becomes your compound statement. These are individual compound statement or component statements, and this is your compound statement. This P और Q is a compound statement और आप इसी का ट्रूथ वैल्यू इस टेबल से निकालते हो. ट्रूथ टेबल से निकालते हो. इस चीज को याद रखना है, भूलना नहीं है. ठीक. एक छोटा सा पार्ट पढ़ा देता हूँ. समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ निगेशन. इसको हम दिखाते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल एस से. राइट? सो व्हाट इज निगेशन? निगेशन इज नथिंग बट when value is true it becomes false, when value is false it becomes true. अगर कोई झूठ है तो वो सच हो जाएगा, कोई सच है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? झूठ. निगेशन अगर हम अप्लाई करेंगे तो निगेशन को अगर मान लो मैंने P लिखा है तो उसका निगेशन क्या हो जाएगा? निगेशन ऑफ P. याद रखो ये इक्विवेलेंट सिंबल होता है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? निगेशन P. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ये है, आपको याद रखना निगेशन पार्ट, क्योंकि बहुत जगह पे क्वेश्चन आएगा राइट द negation of given statement. So I will take this example only. Ram is going to USA, right? So it is shown by P. तो इसका negation क्या आएगा? negation of P. तो अगर statement वाइज बात करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? Ram is going to USA, P. तो इसका negation क्या आएगा? negation of P. statement वाइज बात करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Ram is not going to USA. not मतलब क्यों? क्योंकि negation आया. not क्यों? क्योंकि negation आया है. राइट? तो इस वीडियो को इधर ही ख़त्म करते हैं, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड टू कंजंक्शन, डिसजंक्शन एंड नॉट. टेक केयर.